Welcome to the second part of For Sale by Owner. First of all, congratulations! Now that you have prepared your home for sale, it's time to dive into the next crucial steps of the selling process. Selling a house by owner can seem daunting, but with a clear plan, anyone can navigate through these stages. Here's what to expect as you move forward. Now that the property is on the market and available for showing, there are a few important things to keep in mind. 1. Since I included a contact number on the listing, I got a second phone number to keep my personal information private. 2. Get a lockbox for the house key to streamline showings. 3. Make sure both the electricity and gas are turned on. As a single woman, I choose not to host an open house. Also, to ensure only qualified real estate agents with buyers could tour my property, I did not include the gate and lockbox codes in my listing. I paid a la carte listing package, and the agent will forward all the inquiries to me. If you are not sure what is a la carte listing package, please check out my other video, For Sale by Owner Part 1. Okay, let's come back to this showing stage. I made sure to respond to all inquiry messages promptly, providing the gate and lockbox codes only after confirming the agent's credentials. Every showing is an opportunity to close a deal. Most agents provide a copy of their business card with license number to prove they're legitimate. By working my listing this way, buyer's agents handle all the showings for me. I got an offer! Yes! As offers started coming in, I carefully reviewed each offer, the buyer's financial qualifications, any contingencies requested, and the proposed closing dates. This stage is exciting but requires diligence to ensure I choose the right offer for my needs. Buyer's agents added pressure by repeatedly asking for a response. Fortunately, I was clear about my goals, which allowed me to filter through each offer effectively and provide my response within 1 to 2 days. Ready to make a deal? Well, accepting an offer and negotiating can happen at the same time. This is where my market research paid off. The buyer's agent tried to negotiate several times, and I would not hesitate to counter-offer. So be clear about what terms are acceptable for you. Read the contract carefully. Negotiating can feel intimidating, but remember, you have the flexibility to find a win-win solution. Once you have agreed on the terms, it's time to sign a contract. This document outlines the sale agreement and protects all parties involved, so make sure you review it thoroughly. In my case, I discovered that my final counteroffer was not included in the contract, despite having text messages plus phone conversations with the buyer's agent. I want to emphasize this one more time. Before signing the contract, read it thoroughly more than once. If you have any doubts or need clarification on legal jargon, do a little research or don't hesitate to consult your listing agent. As a seller, you are required to disclose certain information about your property during the sales transaction. This includes any major maintenance issues, any liens attached to the property, and homeowners association reports, among other things. While reviewing the contract, I learned there are specific deadlines for different requirements. Although I didn't have an agent to walk me through the process, Everything both parties need to know was written in the contract. I was ready with the required documents when either the buyer's agent or the title company requested them. Here comes to the next critical stage. After the contract is signed, the buyer will have the home inspected and order an appraisal. The home inspection identifies any issues that may need addressing, while the appraisal ensures the home's value aligns with the sale price. Be prepared for further negotiations based on the inspection results. There might be several back and forth at this stage. Transactions can fall apart here. This is where the research and preparations you have done before paid off. In my case, after receiving the home inspection report, the buyer's agent requested repairs and upgrades for everything mentioned in the report. Really? Keeping my goal in mind, I only repaired the essential items and offered a small credit, knowing it was also in her best interest to close the transaction quickly. Next, I made sure to be present when the appraiser visited the property to highlight all the positive features. A few days later, the value came in right on point with my listing price, leaving the buyer's agent no room to negotiate further. Before the buyers sign their loan closing documents, they will have a final walkthrough of the property. This is the buyer's opportunity to confirm that the home is in the agreed upon condition. I made sure all items I agreed to repair were completely. Hey, you have come this far. Why not make it a successful final push, right? Finally, it's time for closing. We are almost there. This process involves signing all the necessary paperwork to transfer ownership of the property. A title company typically handles the closing process, ensuring everything is legally documented and the funds are distributed properly. Either the buyer or seller can choose the title company they want to work with before signing a contract. It is in everyone's best interest to make sure all the legal documents are completely correct. Congratulations on your successful sale! By taking charge of the process, not only you save on commission fees, but also gain invaluable experience. With the sale completed, it's time to hand over the keys to the new owner or their agent and cancel all the utility accounts in your name. Enjoy the rewards of your hard work and may your next adventure be just as fulfilling. I hope you enjoy these videos. Please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and help others by sharing them. Feel free to leave comments below. Until next time, cheers!